Friends, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is an important announcement for CA Foundation students who have opted out from November 2020 attempt and appeared for CA Foundation examinations in January 2021. So, my dear students, this is an official announcement by CA Institute for which we have been waiting since several days. So, what the CA Institute has notified is the students who have appeared for CA Foundation examinations in January 2021 may get registered for CA Inter of November 2021 attempt on or before 1st April 2021. Most probably your CA Foundation examination results of January 2021 attempt will be released on or before March 25th, my dear students. That means once the results are out, within a matter of 4-5 days, you can register for CA Inter so as to get eligibility to appear for CA Inter examinations to be held in November 2021 itself. Technically, the minimum study period required for CA Inter students is 8 months. As a one-time relief, CA Institute has reduced that study period to 7 months because from April 1st onwards, if you count the period between April 1st to October 31st, the period is only 7 months. So technically, the minimum period required for CA Inter is 8 months. So to get rid of such technical issues, CA Institute has brought down such minimum study period to 7 months from earlier study period of 8 months. This is one important change CA Institute has made, and remember, this is only a one-time measure. It's not going to be continued in future. Now some students may ask a question, sir, I have got qualified CA Foundation examinations in any of the earlier attempts. Can I register for CA Inter on or before April 1st? No, my dear students. For all other students, that means all the students who have qualified in any of the earlier attempts, the last date to register for CA Inter was already completed, which is March 1st itself. So this relaxation, this extension of time, that is up to April 1st, will apply only to the students who are going to qualify their CA Foundation examinations in January 2021 attempt only. That means this relaxation will apply only for the students who are going to qualify their CA Foundation examinations in January 2021 attempt only. This will not apply to any of the earlier attempts. Now, so one doubt which several students ask is, sir, will you suggest us to prepare to take coaching and appear for both the groups in November 2021? It's near to impossible, my dear students. It's nearly impossible because coaching itself will take 7 months. When do you prepare and when do you write your exams? My advice is, instead of attempting both the groups and getting failed, the better option is you aim for one group for this November attempt. You target for only one group. You take coaching for only one group for this November attempt. And immediately after writing examinations of November attempt, you take admission for the remaining group and attempt that remaining group in May 2022. For example, right now you plan to attempt group 1 or group 2 in November 2021 attempt and plan to attempt the remaining group in May 2022. That is the only option you have. Please don't forget. There are large number of students who have joined for their CA Inter coaching in the month of December itself. That is immediately after completion of CA Foundation examinations of December attempt. How can any institution make you equal to the students who have joined around 3 months back, 3 months prior to you? Is it practically possible? That means, are those institutions doing time pass in these 3 months? Definitely not. So that's why the best option you have is immediately after announcement of CA Foundation results, you plan for taking coaching for one group in CA Inter, and after appearing for November 2021 examinations, you immediately take coaching for the remaining group, and in that remaining group, you try to write your examinations in May 2022 attempt. This is the best advice that I could give. Anyhow, I'll come up with some more details later on with respect to the coaching availability after announcement of CA Foundation results in the month of March. 100% sure we are going to plan coaching, when it is going to start, where it is going to start, in what form it is going to start. All those details we will come up with another video. I think it's a very happy news for all the students who are eagerly waiting for their results of January 2021 attempt. All the best, my dear students.